How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received on iPhone. Trying to log into WhatsApp but not receiving the verification code? Let's solve that right now. Make sure you've entered your number correctly with the country code like +1 for USA or +91 for India. Ensure your SIM is active and receiving messages by sending yourself a text SMS or making a call. Don't tap resend too many times. WhatsApp may temporarily block verification if overused. If SMS isn't coming through, tap call me to receive the code via voice call. Once the code is entered, you'll be logged in. Still not working? Contact your carrier to check the message delivery. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.